I'm Manoj Kumar Jha, Assistant Professor of English, Nandan Sanskrit College, Isapur, Madhubani. It's a constituent unit of Kameswar Singh Sanskrit University, Darbhanga. Today we are going to discuss common errors in English. The topic is important for degree final year students of the university. Common error means certain expressions in English that are most frequent. These machines are destroying our ability of thinking. We'll try to understand. These machines are destroying our ability of thinking. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one is, these machines are destroying our ability to think. Because correct expression is ability to do something, not ability of doing something. Next, I want to improve my ability of reading. It's incorrect. Correct one, I want to improve my reading ability, because correct expression is reading, writing, teaching, acting ability. Next, I want to improve my ability of English. Well, try to understand. I want to improve my ability of English. Correct one, I want to improve my ability in English, because ability in a language or a subject is the correct expression. Technology has made them able to grow their own food. Correct one. Technology has enabled them to grow their own food. In this sentence, the word enable is very important, because enable means to make someone able to do something. Technology has enabled them to grow their own food. It's correct one. There were above 100 people in the crowd. The sentence is incorrect because of use of above here. Correct one, there were over 100 people in the crowd. Because there is a rule, we should not use above with numbers unless referring to a points on a scale. For example, he is over 80 years of age. I receive over 20 letters a day. These sentences are correct because he is over 80 years of age. I receive over 20 years of age, 20 letters a day. In these sentences, over has been used to indicate numbers. But don't let the temperature get above 30 degrees. Here, above is the correct uses. If we use over here in place of above, the sentence will become incorrect. Well, next, he likes reading, above all novels. The sentence is incorrect. Correct one, he likes reading, especially novels. Because above all means most importantly. For example, get plenty of sleep, eat lots of good food, and above all, try to relax. There were many qualities that made him a politician. Above all, he had charisma. You must be knowing the word charisma means the powerful personal ability of attracting or impressing others. Especially means particularly. The word especially means particularly. For example, she loves all sports, especially tennis. Now we'll try to understand the differences between most common or confusing expressions like especially or especially. Especially usually means particularly. It is not placed first in a sentence. For example, I especially like sweet things. The sentence is correct. If we write or begin the sentence with especially, the sentence will become incorrect. If we write in this way, especially I like sweet things, the expression is incorrect. Especially means for a particular purpose. We'll try to understand. Especially means for a particular purpose and is often followed by a past participle such as designed, developed or made. For example, the course is especially designed for graduates. She has her clothes especially made in Paris. Well, now finally there are situations when we become confused whether we should use especially or especially. I bought this especially or especially for you. It is especially or especially important for management graduates. In these sentences, especially is the correct expression. If we say, I bought this especially for you, or it is especially important for management students, these expressions are correct. Here, especially should not be used. In this way, today, we have become acquainted with certain sentences with common errors. That's all for now. Thank you.